morning po sa inyong lahat. Sobrang overwhelmed ng feeling tonight. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero siguro, just to give you a quick idea, or for some people here who knows me, or baka walang may alam, ako po yung isang klase ng tao na I never chase the spotlight. Hindi po ako mahilig sa attention. Kumbaga, from the beginning of my journey, way back 2016, I'm really after the fortune. Gusto ko talaga magpayaman. And there was even a time in my iPhone journey na sabi ko, ilipat ko na lang kaya lahat ng pangalan ko kay JM. Hindi dahil ayaw ko mag-iPhone. It's because masaya ako dun sa buhay na meron ako. Kumbaga, I'm just happy, quietly working, and enjoying the fruits of my labor. Sobrang saya ko na nabago yung buhay namin, iba yung buhay ng mga anak ko compared sa buhay ko before. Sobrang saya ko na, but God has a plan, and Sir Thomas sa plan, hindi po yung nangyari. And then I realized, hindi siya about recognition at all. It's actually about growing and learning, failing, learning, failing so many times. Learning, hanggang bumangon ka lang ng bumangon. So, hindi siya, this 1 million is not my first time to earn 1 million actually. And this is parang the lowest 1 million that I earned. But this one is very special because I know I've grown so much to hit this 1 million back. Okay, ito yung mga reflection ng gabi na parang kaya ko pa ba? Tuloy pa ba natin? And yung mga dasal mo na, Lord, bahala ka na. Ikaw nang bahala. No? So, para sa mga katulad ko, na ganun din, baka hindi kayo mahilig sa award or what, I know that time will come because deserve mo na pala siya. And ilalagay ka ni Lord doon, hindi para for fame or what, is to inspire people. So, I realized na this success is not just about success. iPhone made me realize, of course, Sir Tom and Mama Dam made me realize na hindi siya about success. It's actually being that person who deserves that success. Yun po, maraming salamat, Sir Tom, Mama Dam, and sa buong grupo ko, My Philippine Republic. Sobrang ramdam ko yung tiwala na binibigay ninyo. And I know yung mga apoy makaka-relate na parang ba't ko dyan si Upline, malakas tayo, close natin to, magaling tayo. Na kahit minsan si Upline pagod, may sakit, di ba? Pero hindi natin pinaparamdam. So, maraming salamat, kayo po ang lakas ko. So, yun lang po. To God be all the glory.